Alright friends, so far we have mentioned string structures briefly, but starting from this lesson we will go into detail. We will learn about string creation, string methods, and string comparison. So let's begin with how to create a string. For example, I come here, I say string, I use string, and then my variable name, I name my variable name, which can be first. And then I say equals to, I open my double quotes, and then inside the double quotes I give my string name. I say Java. So let's continue. I copy these, I come here and I paste it. I say string second and then string third. String third, okay. My second string is C programming, and my third string is C#. Alright. So how can I print it? I can use system.out.print or println. So I come here, I say system.out.println, and then inside the parentheses I give this variable name. So I copy these, I come here, I print the other variable too. I copy this and I paste it. I copy this and I paste it. Alright, so let's compile and run it. I already compiled it and I run it. You see Java, C and C# appears on the screen. So now let's try combining strings. Suppose we have a string programming language. So and we want to combine it with one of our variables. So how can I do that? I use plus operator for combining those values. So I come here, I say programming language, and then I combine using plus operator, and then I say first. I use first variable. So if I run it, you see programming language is Java, appears on the screen. So that's how we join strings using the plus operator. So we have learned how to create strings, assign values, and print them, and combine them. So we will continue learning about more string operations in the next lessons. See you there.